Last month, the ATO released their tax statistics for the 2023-24 financial year. And it's things like this that remind me just how much the ATO loves to tax you for things even just beyond the tax that comes out of your paychecks every month. So starting off, the total tax they collected in 23-24 was $631 billion, 52% of which came from individual income tax. Now, tax is generally unavoidable, so I'm not going to say too much more, at least on individual income tax, but reading through this got me thinking about how much more the everyday Australians are forking out in tax beyond just their individual income tax. Starting off with GST, where 14% of the full $631 billion was paid by everyday Australians at the checkout when buying normal goods and services, 10% of that being remitted straight towards the ATO. Next up, superfund income tax, where the ATO then chucks on 15% on any contributions you or your employer makes into your superannuation fund. And the last big one is excise, which are additional taxes levied on things like fuel and alcohol. The ATO collects 5% of total tax revenue from taxes like that. And now that's not even accounting for the 23% that came from companies and all the other extra smaller sources of tax revenue. But it should really get you thinking, if the ATO is collecting $631 billion in tax, this is 2 to 3 years ago, so it's obviously more now, where is that money actually being put to use? Sure, it's being put to welfare, sure, it's being put to infrastructure and defence, but how is that money being used for the betterment of everyday Australians? I think that's food for thought.